Hi everyone! Another Jackson's video today. I also have a cerulean blue comparison video that will be up in an hour from now as well, so don't forget to check that out later. So today's video isn't a sale announcement, but more of a let me show you how to get the free stuff video because I've seen a promotion like this on Jackson's before and had lots of trouble my first time. Anyway, let's get started. On Jackson's homepage, we can see two things about Daniel Smith: new sets and a free dot card promotion. Let's look at the promotion first. Free dot card with every purchase of 3 or more Daniel Smith watercolors. Click on that, and then I clicked into their page for open stock tubes and pans. There's a big thing here that says free dot card, receive a free Daniel Smith 66 color dot card when you buy 3 or more Daniel Smith watercolors, including all tubes, pans, watercolor sticks, and sets. Terms and conditions are at the bottom of the page, so you can go read that for yourself, but I'll just show you how to redeem the dot card. Here's my basket with 3 tubes of watercolor. Most of my viewers are from the States, so as an example, I used New York as the shipping destination. Click on Get Quote, and then the page reloads to show you this. At the bottom of your basket, you'll see a Today's Special Just for You area. The dot card should be there. I think it's completely free for those in the UK, but for those abroad, they charge only a tiny bit. Click on Add, and it should be added to your cart with no problems. Moving on to the new sets, I checked it out and it seems like there are 4 existing sets that are just now becoming available on Jackson's. First is Pablo's colorful and vibrant set that contains the following 10 colors: Hansa Yellow Medium, Pyrrole Red, Opera Pink, Indigo, French Ultramarine, Lavender, Cerulean Blue Chromium, Phthalo Blue Green Shade, Transparent Red Oxide, and Sepia. The second one is Praful. I'm sorry, don't know how to pronounce that. We'll just go with Praful. It's a earthy and natural set containing the following 6 colors: New Gamboge, Pyrrole Orange, Ultramarine Blue, Raw Sienna, Burnt Sienna Light, and Undersea Green. Thirdly, we have this dark and moody set by Nicholas with the following 10 colors: Bloodstone Genuine, Piemontite Genuine, Lunar Black, Lunar Blue, Moonglow, Cascade Green, Chinese White, Payne's Gray, Ultramarine Blue, and Lavender. The fourth and final rather high tinting set is by Michael with the following 10 colors: India Yellow, Quinacridone Deep Gold, Quinacridone Sienna, Alizarin Crimson, Paraline Violet, Moonglow, Cobalt Blue, Phthalo Blue Green Shade, Phthalo Green Blue Shade, and Indigo. Alright, that's it guys. I can't promise I'll do a Jackson's sale promotion video for every single one, but I'll try my best to keep up with all the watercolor related ones, and hopefully by the end of the year, we can look back and be able to reference how often Jackson's offers watercolor related sales. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to take a look at Roman Small and winsor&newton. They've both been on sale this past week, and if you're lucky, you might be able to take advantage of all 3 sales at once: Daniel Smith, Roman Small, and winsor&newton. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Happy shopping! Have a great weekend, and don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.